born here as a Jamaican. Here is my birth certificate, and it shows I was born at the University Hospital on July 19th, 1965, and it's right here. I hope your cabinet can pick it up. And I have a copy for you, Prime Minister.
I actually find it ridiculous that some people are questioning Mark Golden's citizenship. You can question whether he's a dual citizen, but to question if he's a citizen of Jamaica, to me, is ridiculous. And I think those who are having that conversation, I had a live last night, very good, where people were saying that they were coming from other lives and people were actually having that discussion, question the validity of his birth paper. And I'm like, what? Here's my thing, people. I don't doubt that Mark Golden was born in Jamaica, nor do I doubt that he gave up his dual citizenship. He may have taken a long time to do it, which is questionable. And I personally would not want a dual citizen to run, lead, or in the position to hold so much sway or in parliament of my country. So I'm happy that he gave it up. But I'm not going to sit here and behave as if, oh, I don't think he was born in Jamaica. Oh, I don't think he gave up his dual citizenship. Because if he was to actually bring up a false birth paper, if he was to not have given up his dual citizenship, these are things that can be easily fact-checked and can easily cost him his entire political career. So the risk far outweighs the reward in this case. And this is how I tend to normally make decisions and think if I want to believe something or not. But yeah, these are just my thoughts. What are yours?